Action, John.
Action. Action! Action!
That's an interesting reaction too. Is it only when you go a chew?
Yeah, this
Oh, they did it to me then.
Yeah.
A chew.
That wasn't
Oh,
loud.
no, no.
There was a great YouTube video. There was this New Zealand farmer,
Yeah,
and he was at a gate, and he had about 200 sheep,
yeah.
and he was doing like a political speech, and he calls all his sheep over. So he's at his gate like this, like doing a political
On
speech.
soapbox.
Yeah, and there's about 200 sheep, and he goes, right, he goes, what do we want? Bah, bah. When did we want it? Bah. We're going to fight for your rights. Bah. And
Animals' rights,
every
yeah.
time he finished, they were doing this, like they would, right, what do we want? Do we want a Tory government? I promise to fight for Turkey's rights in the next parliament. And I will represent you to the best of my ability. Oh,
There was a little splutter from one of the
little splat from one.
from one of the chickens.
Well, that's what this bloke. It had about a load of hits. It was.
Yeah.
It was a New Zealand sheep farmer. Very funny.
Yeah.